I enrolled into the auto collision program because I actually love doing it. I love being in the paint booth, and I love the bonds I have with the boys in there. And I love my instructor. He's the best. Like, he treats it like an actual workplace, and that's something that a lot of kids do need. They need to see that structure and the actual workplace surroundings and how it's going to be, because even if you're just so much as 2 minutes late, you're still late at work. My future goal would be to, in the long haul, own my own shop and maybe make it something that is a family-owned thing. Advice that I'd give to somebody is, you're gonna have your rough days. You gotta keep moving, you gotta keep moving forward, because if you don't, you miss something and then you're behind. It's, a lot of people say, oh, it's just school, but to me, like, this is another family.